For years, one company stood as the symbol of never selling Bitcoin, no matter how far the price fell. Now a new filing shows that Strategy, Michael Saylor's firm and the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin in the world, quietly sold some of it for the very first time. The sale itself was small, just 32 coins worth about $2.5 million, offloaded in late May. But for a company that has spent years telling the world it would only ever buy and never sell, the symbolism was enormous. Saylor, who had stayed silent as the news spread, finally addressed it, framing the move as routine treasury management rather than a change of heart. The timing made it sting more, landing just as Bitcoin slid towards $70,000 and fear gripped the entire market. Whether this was a one-off or the first crack in crypto's most famous conviction is the question traders cannot stop asking. The line between your crypto app and your stock brokerage just disappeared. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, has opened commission-free trading in more than 7,000 U.S. stocks and exchange-traded funds for eligible users outside the United States. That means names like Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia now sit right next to Bitcoin inside the very same app. The company is also building a tokenized version called B-Stocks, issued out of Abu Dhabi and running on its own BNB chain. It is a striking reversal because just 5 years ago, Binance was forced to pull almost identical stock tokens after regulators pushed back hard. Now it is betting that millions of users want a single place for everything, blurring the wall that has long separated Wall Street from crypto. American users are still locked out for now, but for everyone else, the so-called super app era just got a whole lot closer. A name that regulators effectively killed 5 years ago is about to come back from the dead. Telegram is taking direct control of the open network, the blockchain it once created and then walked away from, and it plans to rename the token Toncoin back to Gram. Gram was the original name Telegram chose all the way back in 2018, before the U.S. securities regulator blocked the project and forced the company to abandon it. Now, years later, the messaging giant with hundreds of millions of users is stepping back in and reclaiming the brand it was forced to give up. Traders reacted almost instantly, and the token jumped on the announcement as the market digested Telegram's renewed commitment. For a network that spent years stuck in limbo, having its original creator back at the wheel is a major shift. The real question now is whether a household name app can finally do what it could not pull off in 2020. Subscribe now.